Hey guys, it's Sanbana Pizza Vosele. Welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thanks so much for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, a comment. Happy Tuesday. Please take care of yourself. For I love you. Anyway, guys, before we get to Story Saga Terelo, I just want to say congratulations to Tiamo Bonche Smith. We know her. She's a YouTuber, influencer, content creator. She's a wife as well. Congratulations on her pregnancy journey. This is what she posted on her Instagram account. Guys, on the next story now, Thando uya reveal lapha ku TikTok saying ukuthi they are currently busy shooting for the new season Isencane Lengane season 8, and people were saying ukuthi hi boy, you guys are not going out there look for jobs, get yourself qualification, do something for yourself. So Thando again, she's saying ukuthi naye uyafisa ukuthi they must cancel the show but abafuni guys. So she's saying ukuthi Umajolove does not want the show to be cancelled. So guys, people are very surprised by what Thando she's saying. Guys, while we are busy feeling sorry for Thando Kantebana, they are busy with the new season Isencane Lengane season 8. So guys, Uterelo she's saying Yena, she's not going anywhere no matter how many times Umpumelelo has her, she will be there as long as their heart still wants Umpumelelo. She's not going anywhere. So there's a lady who commented on the Terelo's post there, guys. As we know, Izingane Zesthembo, they are coming back. So people are saying there's no difference between Uterelo and Thando, guys. So this lady went on to say Uterelo, she's with Mpumelelo just to prove a point, otherwise ngumoya qha. So Uterelo reply Etienne proving a point to who does what for me. Hayi kahle ngigowile futhi ngisasogowa as long as inhliziyo ingakateli, meaning that I have went through a lot with Mpumelelo. I'm not gonna leave as long as my heart still wants him. I'm gonna be there with Mpumelelo, like it or not. So guys, Uterelo uzobegezela. So they've just posted a trailer Izingane Zesthembo season 3, and you can see Uterelo, guys, she's going through a lot. There was a clip where she was talking no Musamseleko saying it seems like Mpumelelo has another girlfriend, and people are saying why don't you leave Terelo? Now you are facing your karma. Do you still remember the things that you were laughing go Vuyokazi are now happening to you? But Terelo say I'm not weak like Vuyokazi. I mean, I will never leave. I will be there for Mpumelelo no matter what. Even Mpumelelo say no, I will force it to be with Mpumelelo. So guys, Uterelo, she's not going anywhere very soon. So you must accept it that Uterelo and Mpumelelo will be together forever, guys. A few weeks ago, 2 days ago, Mpumelelo and Terelo did post a video together. You can see they are still together. So I guess there's nothing we can do, guys. It's just to accept Uterelo, she's here to stay. So anyway, guys, do not forget to subscribe, to like, a comment. Happy Tuesday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. Bye.